In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add up many columns in Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process, but mastering it can significantly enhance your efficiency when dealing with large sets of data. First things first, I want you to have your Google Sheets document open and ready. If you haven't already, go ahead and access Google Sheets by navigating to your browser and pulling up a blank sheet or a sheet that you're currently working on. We're going to be using this as our working space to demonstrate the process. Let's set the stage for a second. Imagine you've got a list of data in front of you, specifically in column A and column B. Our mission here is to master the technique of summing these columns quickly and effectively. Now, this might seem basic, but knowing how to do this fluently can save you loads of time. Once you have your sheet open and visible, locate the columns that you want to add up. In this case, we're focusing on column A and column B. These are where your numbers reside, and we're going to tally them up. Now, to proceed with calculating the sum, you'll need to select the cell where you want the result to appear. It's typically easiest to place your sum directly below your data, so go ahead and click on the cell just below the last row of your data in column B. Clicking on a cell makes it active, signifying that whatever you type in will be inserted right there. Now, for the essential part of this process, entering the formula. We're going to utilize a very handy formula in Google Sheets. Start by typing an equals sign, which signifies that what comes next is a formula. Then you'll want to type sum, followed by an open parenthesis. This function is Google Sheets' way of telling the system that you want to add things together. After that, type the cell range, which in our example spans from A2 to B. This is because A2 is our starting point. So you'll type A2B. Close everything off with a parenthesis to complete the formula. Press Enter, and the magic of Google Sheets will do the rest. The calculated sum of all values from column A2 through the extent of column B appears in the cell you initially selected. This simple yet powerful technique can be used to add up columns across all your sheet projects and is an integral skill for basic data management. Keep in mind that the accuracy of your result depends on the data entered, so ensure all numbers in those columns are accurate. And that's it, folks, a quick and comprehensive guide on summing columns in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial proves helpful and makes your data handling tasks a bit easier and more efficient. Happy calculating!